done a makeup tutorial, so I decided I would do a makeup tutorial. If you were wondering, I was 5 in that video and now I'm 7. So, before we get started, I'm going to talk about my brother Hamilton's video. He just got a new channel, but first, he's gonna be in the video with us. So come on up, Hamilton. Okay, so make sure to subscribe on his channel, click the bell on his channel, and also click the like button, and then make sure to subscribe and like on my channel. So let's get started. So what should I do first? I think what I'm gonna do first is I think those are last. Let's start with my eyeshadow. So, I'm gonna let my brother Hamilton choose which eyeshadow palette I should use. So Hamilton, which one? I got these ones and this one. And this one. Really, that one? Yeah, we need to do that one. It also has lipstick in it, but I'm just using the eyeshadow. Okay. Let me get my eyeshadow brush, which is in this palette, because I've been using it the latest. Hamilton, come on up. You don't have to use it. Okay, that's really hard. Let me just put this back together really quickly. Okay. Oh, no, I don't need that. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go for, which one should I do? What? Hamilton, because you have a new channel, which color? Dark blue. This one? Yeah. All right. You chose this one. All right. Let's get. Okay. Great. I'm looking at my mirror right now. Okay. Oh my gosh. That's a lot of blue.
I want to see. Let me see. Oh, yep, it is.
I'm gonna have to wash all of his makeup after this.
Yes, you are.
This is a whole, but I'm trying not to use that much. But I already did on the other eye, so I gotta make it perfect match. This is a lot of eyeshadow.
Can you tell us what you're doing?
So I'm putting on my eyeshadow right now. I used a whole bunch, and I'm trying to blend it in a lot, but it can't really. Okay, that's as good as it will get. This. Put this in. It fits in this palette, but it belongs to this palette. I'm just going to put it in. Okay, and close this. Okay, next let's do. Okay, Hamilton. So what do you want to do? Maybe we should. Do you want me to make my eyes sparkly with this? Or
We only have another minute left, so let's keep going as quick as we can.
Alrighty, Dad. Okay, I think I'm gonna put this one. No, I'm gonna do this one. Okay. That's probably a whole bunch of glitter. Oh, that is a bunch of glitter. I will be excited to wash off all of this. This is gonna be really glittery. Okay. I want to see how much glitter I got in this eye. My eyes are very glittery. Did I just get my lamp glitter? No. Thank God. Okay. I don't really know how to use this. I don't know. I'm not really good at using this, so I'm not going to use it because I'm not really good at using. I feel that. Here's body glitter. I might put a little bit on my, maybe a little bit.
Who let the dogs out?
Teensy bitty.
Hurry up.
Okay,
Who let
I'm
the
hurrying up,
dogs
Dad.
out? Who?
Okay. I'm gonna make my hands softer. might not like where the product's from.
Sis, you left a mirror right there.
Okay, that's better. I just forgot I got all this glitter underneath. Okay. Next, lip gloss. I feel like I'm gonna do. No. I'm gonna do this unicorn one. I didn't get Hamilton to choose for this one.
Well, we're gonna have to end the video,
Soon.
like now.
Okay, let me hurry up. This is lip
Just
gloss.
one more minute,
It's
Sissy.
Unicorn Kisses lip gloss.
Stop him. Stop.
Just one more minute.
And then I'll just brush my hair and then this video will be over.
Okay, say subscribe. Time to end it.
Okay, bye guys. What?
Subscribe.
And make sure to subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.